Forging alliances, the power of unity in language. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, with a special focus on the phrase, forge an alliance. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the dynamics of relationships and partnerships. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Forge an alliance is a phrase with profound implications. To forge something means to create or form it, often with considerable effort or determination. An alliance is a union or association formed for mutual benefit, especially between countries or organizations. When combined, forge an alliance describes the act of actively creating a partnership or joining forces, usually to achieve a common goal or to face a common enemy. This phrase isn't limited to just one area of life. It finds its place in multiple contexts. In politics, countries might forge an alliance to boost trade, ensure mutual defense, or promote peace. In business, companies forge alliances to innovate, expand into new markets, or increase their competitive advantage. In personal relationships, people forge alliances when they work together towards a common goal, whether in friendships, families, or communities. To fully grasp the usage, let's look at some examples. The two nations decided to forge an alliance to tackle the environmental challenges together. Startups often forge alliances with established firms to gain credibility and access to broader markets. In the face of adversity, the community members forged an alliance to support each other. Understanding synonyms can deepen your understanding of forge an alliance. Similar phrases include form a partnership, establish a coalition, build a union, create an association. Understanding the phrase forge an alliance adds depth to your communication, allowing you to articulate the concept of partnership and cooperation with precision. We hope this video has shed light on this powerful phrase and its implications in various aspects of life. Keep learning and expanding your horizons, and remember, every phrase you learn is a step towards mastery of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.